Do you know how to create a variable in Python? If you don't, do not worry. 'Cause you have fell into the right hands. Let's get crackin'. Hello all and welcome to the 1-minute tutorial series. I am your host, the Virtual Thug 9. So to get straight into it, open your Python file in a text editor. To create a variable, unlike JavaScript, you don't have to tell that it is a variable. All you have to do is type in your variable's name, space, equals, space, quotation marks and your variable value. That's it. As you can see that when I run this simple program, my name gets printed on the screen. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and stay home, stay safe.